It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Wednesday, the 27th of December. I'm Michael Groff. The same old story here in the Southwest for the next 7 days. Dry weather and above average temperatures. Any sign of change in that weather pattern? We'll try and find it as we dive in and discuss this morning. 70 degrees was the high in the valley yesterday after a morning low of 41. We are 2.92 inches behind where we should be on our rainfall, and we will not be seeing any more for the rest of 2017. And outside right now here at 7:15 a.m. with scattered clouds in the valley, we start the day out at 46 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 30. Relative humidity 53%, the winds are light, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around south central Arizona this morning. 35 is the cool spot at Fort McDowell. We are in the 40s across much of Metro Phoenix. And it can always be worse. Check out these wind chills across the country. The upper Midwest and parts of the Northeast. Wind chill values minus 20 to minus 40 degrees. Unbelievably bitter cold in those parts of the country. And the water vapor satellite view across the nation. We are under a dry northwest flow. I say dry, but we do have some periods of high clouds that will be coming through from time to time. But otherwise, no precipitation. On the watch warning maps and winter weather advisories across parts of West Texas, winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings in parts of Montana and sections of the Northeast, where they have been barraged by lake effect snows. Convective outlook for today, no organized severe weather and no thunderstorm areas anywhere across the contiguous United States. And rainfall around here for the next 7 days coming from the WPC. Well, nothing for us here in Arizona, but maybe some light rain across parts of Southern California and Southern Nevada next week. But I really don't think so. We'll talk about why that is right now as we get out to the models and check it out. Here we go to the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. The upper look at 18,000 feet, high pressure off the southwest coast, a dry northwest flow around here. Partly sunny skies, only some high clouds. That'll be about the most sensible weather we see for the next 7 days or so. And so we'll call it partly sunny. High temperatures this afternoon, low to middle 70s. Tonight, partly cloudy, lows mostly in the 40s. Tomorrow, again, partly sunny, with highs in the low to mid 70s. Low 70s on Friday and Saturday. Here we go to New Year's Eve, and check that out. A bitterly cold air mass dropping east of the Continental Divide. That's a 1056 millibar high setting up over eastern Montana. So you know that is some Arctic air coming down through the plains and through much of the eastern half of the country. But around here, more of the same, partly sunny skies, high temperatures right around 70. And as we kick off 2018, New Year, same weather pattern, partly sunny, highs around 70, and same thing on Tuesday. This is a week from today, Wednesday, the 3rd of January. And, well, we've seen this pattern for the last several months. High pressure along the west coast, a dry northwest flow, temperatures a little bit above average, highs likely low 70s if this verifies, with lows during this period mainly in the 40s. And about the only thing to break up the monotony will be occasional high clouds. That's true for Thursday, the 4th of January, and then this is the end of the 10-day forecast period, Friday the 5th. Looks like a classic Rex block pattern setting up with strong ridging over the Northeast Pacific, a cutoff low underneath that, and ridging here in the Southwest states, a dry west and northwesterly flow with only periods of high clouds to move on through from time to time. Checking the temperatures coming off of the GFS ensemble through the period, and all of these numbers are basically above average, at least on the high temperature side, for the next 15 days. And that's going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is going to come back here tomorrow morning, and maybe we can talk about a different weather pattern at some point in the future. Let's hope so. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there and have a great Wednesday.